That looks like serious business. Wow, that looks like a real kitchen.
Yeah, water, toilet.
Look at that. There is like a tub with a sink. A place where you can prepare your meat. And then the fireplace.
Picnic, Madeira style.
Be careful that you don't
Wow.
hurt Robson. You like it? So you're dancing. Are you happy? See, this is like moving in here. So this is our sitting area where we are safe from rain. A big table. I just love it. I can't get enough of that.
Alright, today is our last day before we leave Madeira, and we're already missing the Madeira very much, but we are spending today a very lovely day with our friends.
And we do something that we haven't done before.
Yes,
We're having a picnic like the locals.
that's right.
So they have this beautiful barbecue places.
Yeah,
Like
amazing.
they're in the middle of the nature. So we are here now in some park de something in Ponte del Garde.
In Ponte Delgado.
So that's what I remember. But it's beautiful. You have these houses where you can sit. You have these houses where you can barbecue. We'll show you all that later. We are just waiting for Nelson now to join us, and
And we will start.
then we will start. So the Goyanus family brought the whole kitchen with them. So you have actually a kitchen there with sink and like a worktop. So they're just preparing the bread. And we went to the butcher. We got fresh meat, and we got skewers from them. So they brought us a bunch of skewers.
Yeah, very special.
Very
treatment.
special. And yeah, so we're preparing that now and having then a beautiful barbecue in the
In
nature.
the nature.
It's just amazing. It's a little bit misty and rainy, but beautiful.
Muito obrigada.
So much meat. Delicious.
Sausages.
Ah, sausages. Wow. Okay.
Smells very good.
So that's now all freshly prepared here. Like all the seasoning. So we got that all from the butcher as well. So this is
Garlic,
louro,
And
salt.
and the salt. So and all mixing there.
Make it more comfortable.
Ah,
Nelson, you
no,
are
not
genius.
Robson. Not Nelson. Robson.
Nelson, sorry, Robson. My goodness.
Robson is a
Robson.
engineer.
learning, yeah?
Engineer.
Goiás. In Goiás,
Yes.
yes. Half this.
We make this.
Ah, that's what you were waiting for. Now's the moment. Meat gets on the skewer and then the salt comes on it. So this fireplace is very functional. You have that place where you can do the Espetada. So you put the skewer, and then you have that place where you can make a fire and put a pan or something, a pot on top, where you can cook something like potatoes or anything.
So you first put the butter on the bread, and then you put the meat. Then you close it, and you eat it as like a sandwich.
You close it. That's hard with this bread.
Basically like this. So that's the spices of for the meat espetada. Basically, it's a salt, garlic, and the skin from the laurel sticks.
Branches, yeah.
Branches, yeah, or bay leaves. Sometimes they use. In this case, it's a skin from the branches of a laurel tree. And here you go.
Very simple.
Very simple.
And effective.
На здоровье! How do you say in Portuguese, in Madeira? Saúde?
Saúde.
Давай. Saúde! Prost.
It's the German version.
And in Brazil, how do you do? Saúde is the same? На здоровье it's also like saúde. The same, it's a health. Здоровье is health.
Look at that. It's so beautiful. It's really well maintained, and people come here with the whole family and having a really good time, and so did we today.
Before we end this day, Nelson wanted to show us the Sagrada Familia Chapel, which is very unique and beautiful place up in the mountains of Ribeira Brava. The chapel and everything around was built by one man named Manuel Maceda. He dedicated his life to this project from 2005. Around the chapel there is a park which he calls the Humanity Park, with fountains, barbecue areas, squares, and a stunning view down to Ribeira Brava.
So this guy that we just met, he built all that by himself. He built this chapel, and he built this community area where you have barbecue just like we had now. And look at that. There's a little bar, and then there is this barbecue area. And everything is made out of stone and concrete. Like even these chairs, you know, these plastic chairs. He made like a concrete base for it. Really, really cool.
Thanks to everyone who made our time here on Madeira so special. This is not a goodbye, it is just a see you later.